Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a reverse catamill flamenco. Ideally, you need to have already done a reverse catamill, and it would be advisable to already know an accordion flamenco or something similar. I'll put links to those in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to go back and find them if you need to. But assuming you know the stuff in those, we're going to press straight on. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. Starting off, man's left, a lady's right. We go semicircle, push, send the lady back, guys step back, guys moving out of the way to the right. We sweep the lady down the left-hand side, mirror image of the entrance to a catapult, bar the hand change for the lady. So we go sweep. And as we head out to a one-handed lean, we can swap before or after, it doesn't matter which, but we need to end up in the guy's right hand, either before or after the lean, doesn't matter. Guys are going to head out of the way to the left. We're going to unsweep the lady down the left hand, down the right hand side. So we bring the lady forwards, hand goes up and outwards, lady's coming through, guys are heading back. We're going to add a little bit of extra rotation by taking the hand over to the left, and we're going to offer the left hand up high. We're now going to do a return spin for the ladies and picking the hand up as we go in. Right hand is going to block the lady from going too far. It's going to drag across. Lady's spare arm, if it's floating, is going to be nicely heading into the flamenco anyway. We're going to block across the front of the lady, leading her to start walking forwards. We have a choice. We can go ladies palm up or guys palm up. Both work. There's always a little bit of negotiation between you and your partner as to which one you're going to get. As we step in, we're into our walk. So we're into our flamenco. 1, 2, you can shape that as little or as much as you like and walk as long as you want to. We're just going to walk for a couple. Pull with the right hand, spin the lady away and catch, return and back. So let's do that again from the other side and talk numbers. So we go semicircle back. 1, sweeping through. 2, leaning. 3, unsweeping. 4, little bit of extra rotation and prep. 5, return spin. 6, walking. 7 and 8, spin the lady away. 1, catch. 2, return. 3 and back. 4. So we're ready. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, reverse catamill flamenco. It's a back, sweep, lean, unsweep, offer, return spin, flamenco, flamenco, spin, catch, return, and back. And that is that. That's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that. Use it out on the dance floor and make good things happen because of it. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Notifications mean you get told every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. We'll stick a music recommendation up as one of the windows at the end of the video. Something nice to practice this too. It's got the right feel. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.